Yo, peace and love, guys. Here we are back with another video, and you're probably like, yo, why is he already talking on the previously part? Well, just wanted to explain that after that video ended, and it was a pretty decent video. I really didn't like it, but the next day I figured I would do the next one at home instead of at work, because at work it was looking like this.
Whew, whew, whew. Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, there's no time to do any outside on footing because the weather's been crap and it gets too dark. So I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna throw the Chicago's on real quick. I'm gonna on foot them. I guess they're just gonna have to get a little snow on them, but it is what it is. I gotta hit that highway real quick, so let's do that. You know what I'm saying? Peace and love. Whew. Why'd you make that mess? You what? Doesn't mean you make a mess.
All right, what do we got? Chicago's, and man, you know how hard it is to turn down a pair of Chicago's. I just couldn't do it. So here we are. We have another pair, and shout out to the seller again for getting me these. And I'm gonna pull out another Chicago from another company. I will not bring out the name out of respect for this gifter, but we'll touch on another model. We'll see how they compare. We'll see if there's been any progression with the Jordan 1 Chicago for the past couple years. And this is a very, very, very beautiful shoe. This is obviously before I've worn the sneaker, and it was tough to wear these. I really didn't want to wear them, but it's kind of part of the deal. So we'll just go through this quickly since it is a comparison, but just go ahead and lock your eyes on the overall shape of the shoe. That's one of the most important things about the Jordan 1, any Jordan 1 for that matter. And I just got a retail pair of the Bordeaux ones, and the shape of that shoe is making me kind of look at the ones a little bit closer, just on certain things. But I'll probably do a real quick video for those anyway, but just kind of look at the plushness of the red. It reminds me of the bread pair I got also from another company. I won't bring up their name, but when you're looking at these Chicago's or even the breads, you got to look at the color of the red, because it really varies, and you can't really tell unless you have another Chicago to compare them with. And I want to say there's something wrong with that, but I just don't know. That tag toe box looks really clean and crisp. The white leather on here is really good too. I don't really talk about it, but the white leather is just beautiful. It's buttery in its own kind of way. Here's the other shoe. The other shoe has laces. The other shoe that I got from the gifter does not. And the only thing I can notice is maybe the swoosh on the older pair is a bit more pointed. just a little bit. Toe boxes look pretty much the same. The red on the laced up pair kind of looks a little bit more vibrant. I don't know if it's the camera or my setup, but I'm just trying to find something different. We have the new gifted one in the front, and here's the old one. Again, the swoosh just looks a little bit pointier. I'm not sure. It's a Chicago. Looking at these two, I mean, just look at them for a second. I won't jump around. Just lock in. I can't really find too many things. Maybe the reds are different, but I just don't know. So shout out to the gifters, man. I really love this sneaker. If you were to say, hey, we want to send you another Chicago, we have a better version, I'd take it. And let's see how they did underneath the black light. We'll do the old one too, just to see. I also made a video for that shoe too. Well, I'll put it up on the screen right here. You can go check it out. But I'm not finding anything. You usually see around the swoosh is what we've been seeing lately. Stitching marks around the swoosh. They'll be right there on that toe. There's none here. On the other side, I can't find anything. There's a little bit of ink, but that's supposed to be there. Let's see. Come on, look at the bottom. Well, there's no stamps. Even though the box didn't have any stamps. I don't see anything here as well. I'm looking close. I'm trying to find something, but there's really nothing. I'm just trying to make the video longer at this point. But, peace and love, guys. Again, this is the condensed version of the videos. I just kind of got to get through them. I'm actually just editing this one from releasing the last one for the Halloween sneaker. So peace, love, and light. Stay tuned.